G'day DIYs, it's Chris O. I've done the white grout, now I'm just doing the light grey, misty grey it's called, and it complements this tile like a lot of tiles. It complements so well. But yeah, it's going to be a nice little Hampton ensuite with the VJ board there and a nice little vanity. Lovely sun painted walls, you know. Yeah, all good. Bit of grout. Carefully up here so I don't wipe it into my white. The owner was sitting on the bed and he was watching me do the shelf, and he's right at the right height, and he said, "Chris, I think you might have just rolled that slightly." And I checked it and I said, "Yes mate, I have. Let's just take it out." I hadn't noticed it because I hadn't stood back, and I had a slight roll in it, but I haven't now, that's for sure. It was just something that I hadn't picked up right there and then, so it's good. He did. No, I'm glad he did, and I didn't notice it. And once I do the floor, I'll turn the fan on, start packing up my tools, and that'll be another one done. I do a splashback tomorrow. I don't usually do splashbacks, they're too small. I don't like them, but it was a referral from people that I did there. It was a large bathroom next door. It was a couple of years ago, and this lady rang me up and said, "Oh, you did Steve and Tanya's bathroom, could you do my splashback?" So I went around and gave her a price, and she said straight away, "Yeah, of course, I'll pay that willingly." So I said, "Okay, cool." It's with a 15 by 750 tile porcelain. So yeah. All good. I'll come back to you shortly.